Our children spend a significant part of their day at school, where they engage in activities such as studying, playing, and learning something new every day. However, due to their young age, they may forget about homework or project deadlines. This is where we can help them. Meet Schoolvoice. Schoolvoice is a simple and friendly platform that allows consistent communication between parents and schools. It builds a strong connection, helps you communicate with their teachers, and lets you stay updated with their schoolwork and performance. So, how can you start using Schoolvoice? Go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Schoolvoice. Download the app, then select Parent and register using the same phone number you have provided to the school. Make sure the number you enter is the correct one to move past this step. You'll then receive a one-time password, OTP, insert it into the app, and then you will be requested to set your PIN. Your PIN is very important because it verifies that sensitive actions were in fact taken by you. Once you log in, you'll find several features aimed to bridge the gap between you and your children's school. The app ensures that you are a part of their school day and can see all of their happy moments and achievements. Your main screen inside the app consists of All Messages tab and My Children tab. All Messages tab is where you'll find several features that can help you communicate with teachers, and My Children tab is where you'll find all the information about your child and their profile. You will find the filter icon at the top. It will direct you to a page where you can choose which messages you would like to see. Here, you will find the chat icon. This enables you to start conversations with any teacher instantly. And here, you will find school stories posted by teachers on the app. Through the side menu, you can view your profile, change the entire app's language, as well as your PIN code. This is also where you can reach out to our support. Let's talk more about each of these features, starting with All Messages tab. The All Messages tab shows messages sent by the school to help you follow up with your child's education. And you can easily interact with all of the messages in different yet easy ways. For example, let's take a look at this message. Here you can view the sender's name and you can click to view their profile. Click here to view any attachments. You can also translate and listen to messages from here. This icon indicates that you were reminded of the message, and this is an indication of the importance of the message. With school requests, actions required from you, such as approval and rejection, are shown here. Click on a message to view all of its contents. Now, let's dive into the different types of messages you may receive. You will notice a variety of messages which you can easily interact with. First off, announcement messages. These may include the school's latest news, updates, and holiday greetings. Make sure you click here to read the full message content. There are also acknowledgement messages, which require you to acknowledge having read them. These messages are especially useful when schools want to send any updates related to school hours, exam dates, or school policies. To confirm receiving the message, click on the Acknowledge button. Another type of message is approval messages. Schoolvoice has made it easier for parents to grant permission for certain school activities. For example, the school may send a message concerning your child's participation in a school trip. To grant permission, just click Approve. To refuse the request, click Reject. Reply messages, on the other hand, require you to reply to the message. Schools can use this feature to ask you for some documents or discuss anything regarding your child. Through micropayment messages, payments for school trips or activity fees can be easily made with one tap. When you see a payment-related request, click on the Pay button and it's done. Lastly, moments, where special moments at school are instantly shared. We've further developed some features to help make sure your experience with Schoolvoice is seamless and easy. such as the message filters that allow you to filter messages by messages for, type of action, and school. With Schoolvoice, rest assured that you will be immediately alerted in case of an emergency, God forbid, in which you will be notified with a ring alert even if your mobile is on silent. You can click here to instantly call the school. Schoolvoice added many features so you can keep up with every milestone your child achieves. One of those features is Schoolvoice's private social media platform where teachers can share stories of your child being a part of an activity or maybe receiving an award. These stories will pave the way for you to start exciting conversations with your child, and they're built to be just like the stories in most social media platforms. Familiar and easy to use, yet more private and secure. Click here to view the story. During special events where you just have to be there in that exact same moment, teachers can also go live and make sure you're showing your child all the love and support they need. With Schoolvoice, no special moment will ever pass without you being by your child's side. We care about your child's safety more than anything, which is why we make sure to fully secure their information so no one outside the school can access it. Now, let's take a look at the My Children tab. You can view your child's profile in the My Children tab here. This is where you can find all the information about your child's grade, section, skill points, and attendance. You can also find your child's ongoing challenges and their current rewards. Let's take a quick look at challenges. Challenges were created to encourage healthy competition between students that drive them to work hard, develop their skills, and foster cooperation between different groups, classes, or even grades. Here, you can find all the challenges created that include your child. You can filter challenges by creation date or challenge name. This percentage represents the skills your child has learned compared to the ones they need to improve. To learn more about each skill, click here. To view the contents of a challenge, tap on it. To view all of your child's rewards and skills, click here. Through the My Children tab, you can also view the teachers' profiles. We've made it easier to find only the teachers associated with your child to save your time. And inside the teacher's profile, you will find all of their information and any files they have uploaded, such as a weekly plan, homework, or extra material. You can also chat with teachers here. Chat. To help you engage even better with teachers, you can instantly start conversation with them here. This feature will let you know if teachers are available to chat or not. Also, to make things easier, you can send text, voice, and media messages. To chat with a teacher, click on the plus sign. You will see first a list of your children. Choose the child whose teacher you want to reach out to. Then choose the teacher you want to start a conversation with. Click on this icon next to the teacher's name and type your message here. To attach and send a file, click here. To send a voice note, click here. All chats with teachers are saved and you can view them at any time by clicking on the teacher's name. Now, let's talk about the side menu. Through the side menu, you can view your profile and change your personal information such as your phone number, email address, and profile picture. This is where you change the language. We currently support several languages and we're constantly adding more. To change your PIN code, click on Change PIN. Enter your old PIN code and then enter your new PIN code and click on Update. If you forget your PIN code, click on Forgot PIN and you will receive a one-time password to reset it easily. Feeling a bit overwhelmed? No worries. Any moment where you might need help with the app, the Schoolvoice support team has your back at all times. Schoolvoice is your gateway to your children's school life. Schoolvoice will tell you all about their time in school and help you communicate with their teachers, enhancing their academic performance. Download Schoolvoice now.